Morning everyone, we're out here on this fine Sunday getting a load of wood. We got both the trucks out. We even brought some extra reinforcement today. We're going to get a quick load done and get some of this cut up so that David ain't got as much work to do tomorrow and maybe even the next day if we can get enough out of this tree. So, because we got a couple more loads to do this week, so we're going to get some extra blocks cut down and rolled down here because they're right up the hill here. So.
Yep, got Bubba J out. Gage has a YouTube channel. It's Kelsey's little brother, if you don't know who he is. It's Gage Albright on YouTube. Drop a link in the description.
He hasn't been posting much though lately, so y'all better pressure him a little bit.
Yeah, he's been busy with football and stuff. They've been kicking butt this year.
Yeah.
A lot of butt whoopings handed out, so that's awesome. Anyway, we're going to get busy. Well, this 28 incher is pretty dang nice. This isn't the one we're giving away. We'll give away a brand new one, but figured we'd buy a 28 incher and try it out. You see that one? So the comparison, same head, just shorter handle. Yeah. Definitely gotta watch it, especially if you're a taller person. If you guys haven't seen our last video, it's our 3,000 subscriber giveaway. We're giving away a Fiskars 28 inch. Go to that video, like it, share it, subscribe to our channel, and comment Fiskars 28 inch in the comments to be entered to win. We will draw a name next Monday, not tomorrow, but next Monday on our live feed. What you think, Bubba?
Pretty nice. It doesn't get stuck.
Yeah. Nice light. It's not like a big old heavy splitting maul, but it splits way better.
The grip is pretty nice too.
Yeah.
you wanted this, I just did it high.
Go a little bit higher there in the front.
That looks pretty good. Jeez, Custer's like, you need some earmuffs? I'm like, no, that should be fine. She pops in, nah. I was like, oh, fuck.
Babe, I'm trying to cut through here because it has a gap to where I can.
Okay, so leave your wedge in there and finish cutting that out.
Yeah, it's off the ground a little ways.
About that higher.
Can you come cut it?
No.
Well, we got it done a couple of goofy hours later, but we got it done. We even got some rolled down for David for tomorrow. And then we'll hopefully be able to bring the family up or something and get the rest of the tops. That way they can each roll some blocks down.
Yeah. But anyway, we're gonna get out of here, and I think Gage and I are gonna go chase some elk this evening. Try to, hopefully, fingers crossed, stick a bull. Last weekend is this weekend, so if not, I still have all the rifles, so I'm not super worried. It's just I like getting them with a bow, but
I didn't hear nothing last night. I was going into it hopeful, and
yeah, we went into a spot. One of my buddies had told me he's seen elk, and there wasn't even a tire track in that road. We hiked in there, never seen any tracks or anything, and never heard any elk. But doesn't mean they weren't there. It's just maybe they weren't talking, but is what it is. But we found some other elk last night right at dark, so we're gonna go try those out tonight. So anyway, wish you guys good health and happiness. Thanks for watching.
Have a great rest of your week. And hopefully we'll see you Monday night for our Monday Night Live if David's not out chasing elk. So yeah. Tomorrow night.
Go check out our last video for the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. Fiskars 28-inch axe.
We're drawing the 26th. I finally figured out what date that is. It's the 26th of September. So
26th at 5:30 Pacific time. So tune in for that if you want to know who won the axe.